Hello students, Namaskara. So hope your preparation for Navodaya exam is going well. So we have released set of 20 question banks so for which we can prepare. This is the question bank which we need for the perfect preparation of your Navodaya. So we will solve the second paper in that is 8-2, right? We will solve today and let us see the solutions of it. So let's go to the question paper here. If you see, this is the A2 question paper. So let us solve that. So the part 1 is mental ability. We know that is the answers are easy. So first part will be odd one out. So we have to find which is the different one. So the answers I have already marked them because this is easy. So I will not discuss them. Okay. So these are the answers. First A, second B, third D, fourth C, like that, and fifth is A. Next part, right, second part, that is we have to see the same figure. So A is the same figure, second part, right? So sixth is B, seventh is C, eighth is A. Now third part, what is the third part? That is figure completion, right? So we have to complete the figure. So ninth is B, 10th is A, 11th one is B option, 12th one is D option. Okay. Now let us go to the next fifth part. So what is the fifth part? That is fourth part. So fourth part is figure series. So one after the other we have to check. So here 13th is B option, 14th is B option, 15th is A, 16th is B. Now let's do the fifth part. What is the fifth part? Fifth part is analogy, right? So fifth part is analogy. So 17th is B answer. Now 18th is B, 19th is B, 20 is A. Now sixth part. Sixth part is what? That is geometrical figure completion. So this is a box, that is the square we have to complete. So 20 is A, 22 is C, 23 is B, and 24 is B option. Okay. So now let's do the seventh part, that is sixth part. Sixth part, this should be seventh, right? Yes, this should be seventh. Now here what is the seventh part? You have to find the mirror image, right? So 25th is C option, 26 is A, 27 is A, and then 28 is C. If any doubt in any question, you can comment in the comment section. I will explain, okay, in this. Next part, eighth is very easy part, that is we have to fold the paper and it is punched, we have to open that. Okay. So 29 is C answer. Next 30 is B, 31 is A, 32 is D answer. Now what is the ninth part? You know, ninth part is you have to make the figure, that is formation of figures, right? 33 is C, 34 is A, 35 is A, 36 is A. Okay. So now what about 10th part? That is the last. This is we have to find the hidden, where it is hidden, embedded, in which figure it is embedded. So 37 it is in C option, right? So 38 is A, 39 is A, 40 is A option, right? Okay. So I hope everyone is clear. If any doubt, comment in the comment box. Okay. Now let's go to the next, that is arithmetic section. We'll be solving this, right? So this is how the question paper will be. So that is till here, and rough work will be given here. So we have to do near the question only. We have to solve near the question only. Okay. So this is the question paper. So there will be from 41 to 60 questions, right? Okay. So I will take one section at a time and I will solve it. Okay. So if you see, yes. So here 41 question. What is it? 899 can be written in the Roman numeral as. So how do we write 899? So we know 899, right? So that is 500 means D we write, right? So you can write it as 500 and 800, 500 plus 300, then 99, right? Yes. So 500 is D, okay? So 100 is C. So 300 means 300 we have to take 3 C's, right? Now here 99 we write it as 100 minus 1, 100 minus 10 plus 9, okay? So that is C. Before that we have to write X, that is 90 it will be, and then 9 how do we write? 10 minus 1, that is, this is the answer. So D C C C, then X C I X. So which option? That is option B here. Easy, right? So if anything doubt you can ask, okay? So that is the answer. I hope everyone knows Roman numbers. Now 42 question. Greatest number of 5 digits that can be formed using these digits. Greatest number of 5 digits. So how do we make greatest 5 digit number from this? To write the greatest number, we write the greatest first. So which is the greatest here? 8 is the greatest. After that is 6. After that 4. After that 2. After that 1. So this is the answer, greatest 86,421. Which option? 86,421 is option A. Now 43. So we have to add and subtract here. We know addition and subtraction. The what denominators are same means we have to directly do it, right? So here directly what? 11 will be the LCM. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So 6 by 11 is option B, right? So hope you understand, that is minus 5. So here 11 minus 5 divided by 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 by 11 means option is option B, okay? So that is the answer, 43. Should we do next? That is 44 here. So here small correction. So in D option you make it minus. It may be printed as plus, so you change it to minus, okay na? So in the D option, right? So this is the correction. So question is, which of the following is not equal to 12 they are asking. So solve it. Yes. So here 10 minus 3 is how much? 7. So 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. Yes, it will be equal. So we have to find not equal. Now second one, 14. So you might have to first solve the bracket, right? So that is 9 minus 7 is how much? Yes, 2. So 14 minus 2 will come. So it will be 12 answer. Yes, this will also be 12. Next, see, if you see 18 minus 2 is how much? 16. So it is already bigger. 18 plus 16 plus means it will be again bigger only. So that is not equal to 12. So option C is the answer here, okay? So now let's go to the next, that is 45 question, right? So if this is given, the value is given for this, right? So we have to find then value of this. So what is given? 7.85 into 0.7 is 5.9495 it is given. So we have to find 785 into 0.7 value, right? So what is given here? That is given is how much? 7.85 into 0.7 is how much? 5.495, okay na? Yes, 495 it is. So this is given. So we have to find what? This one answer, right? So if you see, there are no decimal places here, right? So what we have to do? To remove the 2 decimal place, with from this we have to multiply 100 with this. If you multiply 100, here also you multiply after equal to, here also you multiply with 100, okay na? Now here 0.7 is same as 0.7, right? So here if you multiply with 100, you will get this, for 2 zeros this point will shift, so it will become 785, and then next is into 0.7 as it is equal to, here if you multiply with two zeros, here also we have to shift with 2 points, that is 549.5 will be the answer. What? 549.5. Which option? 549.5, option A is the answer. Okay na? That is how you do it. Or you can do the shortcut, that is here two decimal places are removed, right? From here to here, from here to here two decimal places are removed, so the answer will also be two decimal places removed. Okay, this will shift, isn't it? Yes, so this has shifted here. Okay, so this point has shifted two times, then here also it will shift. Option A is the answer. Okay, good. Now 46 answer, convert 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So remember this, that is how do we convert degree centigrade to Fahrenheit? The formula is, that is centigrade is given, we have to find Fahrenheit. So how do we find Fahrenheit? So what is the formula here? Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 times of Celsius we have to do. What? That is 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32 we have to do. So here 9 by 5 into Celsius value is how much? That is 20. So write 20 here plus 32. Now if you cancel it, you will get the answer. So how do we cancel 5? How many is 20? That is 5 4 is 20 here. So what is remaining? 9 4 9 4 is 36. 36 plus 32, right? So that is what will be the answer here. Yes. So 9 4 plus 32 as it is. 9 4 is 36. 36 plus 32. It is how much? 70. That is 6. 76 option. Sorry, 78. Right? So 3 plus 2 8. 3, sorry. It is 68 answer. Right? So not 78. 68 answer. Option is option B. Right? Very easy. So remember this. How do we convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius? We have to use 9 by 5 times Celsius plus 32. And if you want to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, what do we have to do? That is, if you want to find Celsius value, Fahrenheit minus 32, right? So you have to take 32 that side. Fahrenheit minus 32 into what we have to do? 5 by 9, right? So you have to multiply with 5 by 9. 5 by 9 into Fahrenheit minus 32. Okay, got it? Good. So now let's go to the next, that is 47 question. So what is the 47 question here? That is, perimeter of a rectangular park is 256 meter. 256 meter. Breadth is 56 meter. Find the length of the park they have given. So we know how do we do perimeter. How do we find the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter we find by 2 times of length plus breadth. Here breadth is given as 56. Perimeter is how much? 256 here, right? So 256. So 2 times of means here if you take this to the other side it will divide, right? So what will happen? You have to divide with 2 here, and if you take to that side, then length plus breadth. Breadth is how much? That is 56. If you divide with 2 now, what will be the answer here? That is 2, how many is? 2 128s are. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 will be 2 8s are. So 2 128s are. So now to find the length, we have to minus how much? That is 56. So to find the length, if you take this to other side, plus will become minus. So length is equal to 128 minus 56. So what will be the answer? That is 72 will be the answer, option A. Right? You can do like that, or you can do one more shortcut, that is we can use 56 plus how much into 2, right? That is 256. Then that also you can use. Okay, good. So now what about 48 question? Yes, what should be subtracted from 756 to get 315? So directly you subtract 756 and 315. So what will be the answer here? 1 4 and 4. So 441 we have to subtract. You will get the answer. Okay now? Yes? Okay. So which of the following is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means we know that is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So what is the answer here? Option A, 135 degrees, right? So now 50 question. What is it? That is, a TV show started at 9:45 p.m. and ended at 11:20 p.m. Duration of the program. So started at 9:45 p.m. and ended at 11:20, right? So it from to 11:20. So what will be the answer? 11 to 9:45 to 10 o'clock, right? 15 minutes. 10 to 11 o'clock, how much? Yes, 1 hour. 15 minutes here, here 1 hour. Okay, this is 15 minutes. Here it is 1 hour, and here 11 to 20 is 20 minutes, right? So here what will be the answer then? Here 1 hour, right? So this is 1 hour, this is 15 minutes, this is 20 minutes. So 1 hour plus how much? That is 15 minutes and 20 minutes. So it will be total how much? That is 15 plus 20 is 35. So 1 hour 35 minutes. 1 hour 35 minutes is which option? That is option B, right? 1 hour 35 minutes is the answer. Now 51. Ramesh bought 3 dozen apples at rupees 30 per dozen. What? Rupees 30 per dozen. Sold at 4 rupees per apple. Profit. So what is the answer we have to find? So Ramesh bought 3 dozen apples. So 3 dozen means how many apples? Yes, that is 3 dozen, right? So I will do it here. 51. So 3 dozen means that is 1 dozen is 12. So 3 dozen means 3 into 12 will be 36 apples are there, right? So he is buying how much? 36 apple he bought. Total 36 apple. So 1 dozen price is how much? So cost price 1 dozen they have given per dozen. So 30 rupees 1 dozen. 1 dozen is how much? 30 rupees. So 3 dozen are there. So 3 dozen are there, right? So 3 dozen, right? So 3 dozen means how much it will be? That is 3 into 30 rupees. So 90 rupees is the cost price for 3 dozen, that is 36 apples. Okay now? Yes. So now he is bought 36 apple. Now selling price, right? So 4 rupees, how much here? If you see, it is 4 rupees per apple. How much? 4 rupees per apple. So 4 rupees per apple means 4 into 36 apples. It is how much here? If you multiply 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2, 144. So what will be the profit? Profit we know we find by minusing, that is selling price minus cost price. So 144 minus how much? 90 if you do, you will get the answer. That is 4 here, and 14 minus 9 is how much? 5. So 54 rupees is the profit here. How much? 54 rupees. They have given 3 dozen apples. So total apples is 36. You find it. Now cost price, that is 30 rupees per dozen. So 3 dozens is 90 rupees. Right? Selling price, he is selling at 4 rupees per apple. 1 apple is for 4 rupees. So 36 apple are there. So 4 36 is 144. So that is the selling price. You find the profit, you will get the answer. Very easy. Don't be confused. Okay now? Next, if any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, and also you can watch this video again and again. It will be easy. So now 52 question. What is it? That is we have to find the HCF in the power notation, right? So to find the HCF, remember this, in the power notation, this is the power notation, right? Take the lowest power. What you have to take? Lowest power to find the HCF. And if you want to find the LCM, this also remember, to find the LCM you have to take highest power. What you have to take? Highest power. Okay. So what is the numbers? 2 power 5, 3, it should be there in all. For HCF, lowest power in all. Okay. So for, but LCM you have to take highest power in of all numbers. Okay. So lowest power in all, it should be there. So here 2 is there. So check if 2 is there in all. Yes, 2 is here also, that is second number is here, right? And the third number is this one. So 2 is there, 2 is there. So which is the lowest power? 2 power 4 is the lowest. Here 2 power 5 is there, right? So 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 6. So 2 power 4 is the lowest. So 2 power 4 will come into next. 3 is check, 3 is all in all. Here 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Yes, it is there in all. So but lowest power is 3. That is 3 means it is 3 power 1. What? 3 power 1. Nothing means 3 power 1 will be there. So 3 as it is the lowest, because 3 power 4 here, 3 power 2. So but 3 is the smallest. So here if you see 3 power 2 and 3, so 3 is the smallest. So this 3 is will be the answer. Next into 3. Next into check 5 now. So 5, if you check 5 here also, 5 is here also, and 5 is here also. In all numbers it is there. So which is the smallest power? 5 only. All has 5. So 5 only. And next 7 is here, right? 7 is here, but in the second number 7 is not there. So we don't take it. That's it. So 2 power 4 means 2 is 4 times we have to multiply. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Into 3 into 5. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are how much? 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48. 48 5s are how much? We have to multiply. So 48 5s are. It will be how much answer? 240. So option is option C. So how do we do in the power notation? That is, we have to take what? The lowest power in all the numbers we have to take. Okay, lowest power in all the numbers. Understand? Okay, good. So that is how you do it. Now 53 question. So what is 53? That is when 2512 is divided by 0.8, then it is quotient. So let us divide it. It is in decimal, right? So 53 here. So 2512 divided by 0.8. So in the division of decimal, we know that we have to shift the point first. What we do? We shift the point. So here if you shift the point one time, there is no point here. So 1 0 extra will come here. 1 0 extra will come. Okay, now? So that is in the numerator. So 2512. So 1 0 extra will come here. So 120 divided by how much? 8. Now cancel it. So if you cancel it, what will be the answer? That is 8 1s are 8 3s are 24. How much will be remaining? 1 will be remaining. 8 1s are 8. Now 11 is there. 3 will be remaining. 32. 8 4s are 32. 0 as it is. Right? So answer will be 3140. So which option? 3140 is option A here. Okay, now? So that is how you have to do. So in the division of what? That is point. We have to shift the point from the denominator first. From the denominator, we have to shift the first in the denominator. Because why? We don't know the table. You know the 8 table. So you make it 8. Right? You don't know the table of 0.8. You know the table of 8. That is why we have to shift the point. Okay? Good. Now let's do the next, that is 55 question. 54, right? So on selling a pen for 800 rupees, a woman gains 200. Find the cost price. Selling price is given, that is how much? 800 rupees. So profit is 200, right? So how much will be the cost price? That is 600. 600 plus 200 is 800. So that is, if you want to find the cost price when profit and selling price is given, selling price minus profit we have to do. Okay, na? So that is answer will be 800 minus 200 is 600. Okay, na? So option is option A here. Got it? Very good. Now let us see the next, that is 150, that is 55 question. A bike running at 80 km per hour, the distance covered in 45 seconds is the question, right? So 55. So how do we do 55 question? It is very easy. That is, speed is given as how much? That is 80 km per hour. Okay. So here we know how do we convert. So because time is given in seconds, that is 45 seconds. So how do we convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second? We have to multiply with how much? That is here 5 by 18 we have to multiply. Okay, na? So don't cancel it out, we will cancel it at last. So distance, how do we find the distance? Time and speed is given. Distance we find by what? Speed into time. That is, remember as DST. Okay, so that is, here D is equal to speed into time, and if you want to find speed, distance by time. If you want to find time, distance by speed. So that is in alphabetical order, DST you can write it. Okay now, so here speed is how much? That is given as 80 into 5 by 18, you write it as same. Okay, so 80 into 5 by 18 into, that is time is how much? 45. So 45 is the there, right? So now let us cancel it out first. So here how much? 9 we can cancel, right? So 9 how many is? 9 2s are 18 here, 9 5s are how much? 45. Now 2 is there here, so 2 and 80 we can cancel it out, right? So that is, we can do it as 2 how many is? 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is, so 40s are. Okay, so what will be remaining now? 40 into 5 into 5. So 40 into 5 into 5, if you cancel, what answer you will get, right? That is multiply, right? So 40 into 5 into 5. So 40 into 5 is 200. 200 5 is how much? 1000 meter. How much? It will go 1000 meters. So that is 1 kilometer. Answer is 1 kilometer. 1000 meter means 1 kilo. 1000 means kilo, right? 1 kilometer is the answer, option C. Okay now? Good. Now let's go to the next 56 question.
Sir, in the answer.
Now let's do 56 question. Simplification, right? So 45 minus 35 minus in the bracket 12, bracket open, minus, that is parenthesis open, 4 minus 2 plus 1. So we have to do vinculum first, right? So here let's do it directly. Okay, so what we will do? We'll do directly. Okay now, so here 2 plus 1 is there. So 2 plus 1, if you simplify, first we should do the vinculum. So first, so 2 plus 1 is how much? 3 answer. So 3 here, so 4 minus 3 now. So 4 minus 3 is how much? Answer, that will be 1 here. So 12 minus 1 now. So 12 minus 1 is how much? That is 11. So 11. So 35 minus 11. 35 minus 11 is how much? That is 24. So 24 will come here. So 45 minus 12 we have to do. 24 now. So 45 minus 24 is how much? That is, if you want me to write 45 minus 24. So that will be how much? That is here 21 will be the answer. Option is option D. So I have done directly. This is how you have to do in the exam without writing more. You have to write as much as possible less, because time will be less, right? That is why we have to write less. So 57 question now. Decimal equivalent of 36 and 8 by 17. 36 and how much? 8 by 17 means 36 point will come. So 8 by 17 is there, right? So 8 by 17 you divide it. That is, let us take 8 by 17 now. Okay now. So here what will be the answer? If you don't want, you can divide it like this also. So 8 is smaller, so we have to take point. It will be 0 point. So it will become 80 if you take point. So 17 how many is? 17 5 is 85. So 17 4s we have to take. 17 4s how much? 68 here. So if you minus, that is answer is here 0 minus 8 is 2. Here 7 will be remaining, 12. 12 will be remaining. So now point is already there. We can take 1 0 here for this point, right? So then 12 how many is? 12 5 is 85. 12 6 is 102. How much? 12 5 is 6 12 7 is sorry 17 7 is how much? 119. So 17 7 is how much? 119. So here what will be the answer? 36.47. So 47 is there in which option? Here option A. 36.47. Answer is option A here. Okay now? Got it? So you can divide it like this. So if this is number 8 was there, so smaller means take point, and then we can take one extra 0 every time, right? So that is the answer, 36.47. Okay, that is how you have to do. Now should we go next? That is 58 question. So now let's go to the next, that is how much? 58 question. So now 58 question, right? So what is the 58 question here? In the following figure, if AOB angle, AOB, the middle one will be the angle, right? So if you, this is the angle means middle one will be the angle. AOB is a line, find the value of x we have to do, right? So AOB is the line, straight line it is, AOB, this is AOB we can take it as, okay? So then what is the value of x we have to find? So straight line angle, this will be 180 degree, right? This will be how much? 180 degree. So then that's 180 is this one and this one, so we have to add that. So if you add that, that is how much? Here x plus 20 plus next is 2x plus 40 is total how much? That is 180. So here 1x is there, here 2x is there. So total how many x? It will be 3x. So 3x, here 20 plus 40 is 60. So here plus 60 is how much? 180. Now if you take this plus that side, it will be minus. So 180 minus 60, it will be how much? 120. Okay, now 120. So that is 3x is 120 here. Now to find this x, we have to separate that. So to separate that, we have to take this to other side. So this 3x means it is multiplication. So 3x means it is 3 into x. So 3 into x, if you take that 3 to the other side, multiplication become division. So 120 by 3 it will be, 120 by 3. So if you cancel now with 3, you will get how much value of x? That is 40. Or 3 how many is x is 120? 4s are 3 4s are 12, right? So 40 will be the answer. X is how much? 40. So 3 40s are, right? So that is 3 4s are 12, 0 as it is, 40 is the answer. Option is option C here. Okay, so that is the answer. Now let's do 59. Yes, so 59 is also very easy question. Okay, now let's do 40, that is 59 question. Okay, so it is a graph question, very easy, just you have to read and understand, right? What you have to do, always see the types, these types of questions, different types. So see those types and practice them. Okay, so what is the question? A bar graph shows the number of people like the fruit juice, who like the fruit juice, right? So here apple is liked by how many people? 12, right? Orange is 15. So they are asking how many people like grape juice. Grape is where? Grapes is here, that is 20 people like grape juice. So which is the answer? Option B. It will be very easy question, just you have to read and understand, right? So how many people like grape juice? That is 20 people. Okay, now here 60 question. What is the 60 question? Arrange in ascending order. Ascending means that is A to Z. A is there, right? So A to Z, that is small to big, we have to arrange. Okay, so what is the answer here? Small. So check here, 8 is there in same, 87. So let's go with option wise. So 8 7 5 is same, next 6 is also same, that is next 4 here, next 3 here, next 2 here, next 2 here. Okay, so 4 3 2 2. Okay, fine. Next let us check after 4, that is 2 here, then 2 here, right? 4 here, that should not be possible, right? 4 cannot come, that is smaller one, right? So smaller one has to come. So here 4 is there, here 3 is there. So first smaller has to come, that is 2. So that is why not the answer. Okay. Next question, next B option. So 8, 7, 5, 6 is all same, right? So after that 2 is there, right? 2, after that 4, after that 3. No, 3 should come first. That is the smaller, so not possible. So here 8, 7, 5, 6. Here 2 is there, right? Here also 2. Here 6 is there, right? So 2, 2, then 6 is there, then 6. So after that it is correct. Now if you check here, after 6, how much it is? That is, we are checking 2, right? That is after 2, 2 here, then how much? After 6, 4 is there, after 6, 3 is there, right? So that, so then 4 is there, right? So here 3 is there. No, so 4 should not be 43. It is 43, right? So 43 will not be possible here, right? 43 is not smaller than how much? That is 34. That is bigger, so not possible. Which is the answer? Option D is the answer. I think you already know this ascending order, right? So you can do it easily. Okay, so this is how you have to do. As much as possible, try to do on the question paper and write as much as possible, because the time will be less. So always students, which should you do first? Do the mental ability first, okay? Do maths, okay? And then do English at last. The same order you do it, okay? So if you should complete mental ability, there will be how many hours? 2 hours for 80 question, right? So you should complete mental ability in 20 to 25 minutes. If you take 25 minutes also, do maths for nearly around 40 minutes. How many minutes? 40 minutes. If you go more than 40 minutes, don't spend more than that. Okay na? Because English will be there. So you do English in how many minutes? That is 30 minutes. So total it will be how much? Yes, that is nearly 1 and 35 minutes. 1 hour 35 minutes will be over. Now last how many minutes will be remaining? 25 minutes. Okay. So in 25 minutes you check what is, if you left anything, any question, all the correct thing. If you need more time, you can give 25 minutes to that maths. Okay, so like that you should do. Understand in the first time. Okay, so this is how you do it. Yes, okay, good. So now let's do the next, that is English, right? So English is very easy. I will solve one passage. So as much as possible you read the question and try to find the answer. Okay, that will be easy. So where do pearls come from? The question is, where do pearls come from is the question. So you got what you have to find. So read the question first and then read the passage. Where do pearls come from? So read the question and now passage. Did you know pearls come from bottom of the sea? Where do pearls come from? Bottom of the sea. On the seabed are the found shells. So option jeweler shop, not possible. Bottom of the sea answer. You got that answer right? First one done. So not beach, not flower buds. Bottom of the sea. Very easy. First you got it. Now read the second question now. What is the second question? Why do the inside of the oyster shells look shiny and pretty? So read the passage now. Here we read till here, right? So some of these shells are homes to teeny sea creatures that are called oysters. Oysters make something called nacre. This nacre coats the inside of the shells and makes them look shiny and pretty. Right? What? Second question. Nacre coats inside the shells and make it look shiny and pretty. So what will be the answer? They are coated with nacre. What? They are coated with nacre. Option C. Got the second answer? This is how you have to do. Read the question and then go to the passage. It will be easy. So for you people, maximum of the time, first question will be in first 2-3 lines. Okay. Second question will be after that 2-3 lines, right? Now next 4-5 lines it will be there. So that is why you read the question and then find the answer. Now third question. By whom are the pearls made? By whom are the pearls made? Just now we saw that is oysters. Who make them? Oysters. Option A, directly answer. Now 64. What does the word resemble mean? Resemble. You should know what you meaning the resemble. If you don't know, find where is it resemble. Where is the word resemble in the passage? Where is it? Yes, resemble is here, right? So that is, some pearls are found, some pearls are round, some look like tiny buttons, and other even resemble raindrops. Means look like tiny buttons, look like what? Raindrops. Look like will be the answer. What will be the answer? Look like is option A, right? That is the answer. Now 65. Who collects the oyster shells from the sea? So who collects the oyster shell? Found for collects, right? So let us see the options now. That is, read the passage. So drivers collect. So who collects? Divers collects. That's it, right? Option is option C. Divers collected. Very easy, right? So that is how you should do. You should read the question first and find the answer by reading the passage, because that will be easy. Okay, so if you keep on reading, you may not understand or you may forget. So read the question first, read the question and then find the answer for that, right? That is how you have to do. So if you go, first passage we solved it. Now next passage I have given the answer because it is easy, so you can find it, right? That is, 66 question is B, and 67 is B, 68 is A, and 69 is C, 70 is B option. Okay, now let's do next, that is passage 3. So this is the passage. Okay, so 71, what is the 71 answer? That is B option. 72 is B, 73 is B, 74 is A, 75 is A. Okay, now let's do the next passage, that is fourth one, last passage. There will be 4 passages, right? Each passage 5 questions. So now let's do the next, that is 76. What is the 76 question? That is, answer is B, 77 is B, 78 is B, 79 is B, 80 is A. These are the answers. Okay, so I hope everyone does it correctly, and all the best for your Navodaya exam. And once again I am telling, we have made what? Same question paper as Navodaya. So if you want to practice, you can order from us on the given number and you practice. So all the best. Hope you get selected in the Navodaya. Bye bye.